Hi there, muscle car fans. Thank you for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Today we're going to show you this amazing 1967 real deal Shelby GT-500 4-speed. This car is an early production car, which you can see on the inboard lights in front of the car and with the functional side scoops. This car was completely restored in our shop inside and out and is in fantastic numbers matching original condition. It's a real true Shelby GT-500 and we have the original MADI report and Shelby registration to back these things up. The car is also in its beautiful factory original color, Brittany blue, which is one of the best colors for a GT-500 we feel. And of course this car is a manual 4-speed transmission car, which for a GT-500 is one of the best combinations you can buy. As you can see also on this video, the exterior of the car is in fantastic condition. All the chrome, all the glass, all the paint, all the details are in great condition. The complete interior has also been restored. It's got all the original components still in the car, and it's just an amazing ride. The engine and the transmission are also completely rebuilt in our shop, so everything inside the engine, although it's the original engine, is still original, but brand new rebuilt. Same goes for the transmission. This is one amazing Shelby. It's also a very rare car. In this quality you don't see them that often. And for this price, this car is an absolute steal. In a minute we're going to show you this car running and driving. But for now, we thank you for watching. And if you want any more information about this car, please go to our website at www.pedaltothemetal.nl for pricing, pictures and more information. If you still have any questions, then please feel free to call us. Thank you for watching.